friends, I am Swayan. Today, in the Table Tips and Tricks series, I am going to explain you how to memorize the 3 times table very easily. I hope you have watched my brother's video about how to memorize the 2 times table very easily in your mind. If you have not gone through yet, please check the link below or visit our channel. Guys, do you know why learning 3 times table is so important? It's important because if you learn the 3 times table, it will be easy for you to learn the 6 times table in your mind. Before knowing the trick, let's recite the 3 times table together from the very beginning. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, and finally 3 10s are 30. To start with the trick, we have to draw a 3 by 3 tic-tac-toe grid like this. In the grid, we have to write the numbers from 1 to 0 in a specific order. So, let's fill the box. To fill the box, we should write the numbers from 1 to 0 in ones digit from bottom to top, left to right in ascending order. Look! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and outside of the grid, right hand side we should write 0. Now, we will split the tic-tac-toe grid in 3 horizontal segments. First row, middle row, and bottom row. In the 10th digit in the first row, we should write 0. So 0, 0, 0. In the 10th digits in the middle row, we should write 1. So 1, 1, 1. In the bottom row, 10th digit, we should write 2. So 2, 2, 2. And outside of the grid, right hand side, we should write 3. So that you mean 3 times 10. It's 30. Now you have finished the 3 times table tricks. That's it. It's so easy to learn. That's it, my friends. If you like my video, please share it with your family, your friends, and your classmates, whoever you want to share. If you like our video, please thumbs up and click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell icon for more notifications of our videos. Thank you. I love you all.